Hola Chanellies, I'm back and I'm just showing y'all all of the things that were included in this package that I received from Beyond Beauty, which is an online beauty supply company. They are an Amazon company and they sent me this passion twist hair along with some materials. So I'm showing you this passion twist hair that comes prepared like crochet hair. And yeah, let's just get right into the tutorial. So I'm taking 2 pieces of this passion twist hair. As you can see, it has loops in it, and I'm just gonna separate that hair right in the middle so I can get a nice elongated strand of hair essentially that I'm gonna twist with, okay? So I'm gonna take this hair, I'm gonna fluff it out, and I'm gonna prepare it for my twists. And again, this hair was sent to me by Beyond Beauty, which I have worked with a couple of times before. I really enjoy my experience with that company, so that's why I continue to work with them. I will have the link to this hair in the description box below, as well as a link to their online Amazon store, okay? So I'm using some Eco Styler gel and I'm going to go ahead and start braiding this up. I am starting this twist as a braid. This is the exact same method that I used to install my spring twists. If you have not seen my spring twist tutorial, I'm pretty sure it's nearing 100,000 views. So go ahead and watch that video because we're using the exact same install method. I like to start my twist with a braid just because it's a little more secure than twisting all the way down, but do whatever works for you. Now you see me splitting my natural hair into 2 and we're going to start twisting. So I am twisting essentially the wrong way. Why do I say this is the wrong way? Let's look at this twist and okay, look at the twist. That is not a rope-like twist. That's how you know you're twisting the wrong way. I'm essentially twisting against the natural texture of this hair and that's why it looks jank. Essentially, this is how that twist looked when I finished it. It looks a hot mess, y'all. It looks a hot mess because I was twisting the wrong way. So you have to be very careful and pay attention to the direction that you're twisting. When you're dealing with any type of textured hair, like passion hair, like spring twist hair, you have to twist according to the natural texture of the hair, okay? So this is me twisting the exact opposite way. And as you will see, this twist will look a lot better than the one before, okay? So now this twist looks like a rope, and that's how we know we are twisting the correct way. Shout out to one of my viewers who pointed that out. The texture of the hair really does matter in the outcome of your style, so please pay attention to that. And I'm going to twist this all the way down because this is exactly what we're looking for in a passion twist. It still has that boho vibe. We still have some mess ups and mistakes, but it doesn't look completely trash, okay? So go ahead and twist all the way down to the very ends. And this is the passion twist that you should get if you twist according to the texture of the hair, okay? So I'm going to show you the differences between the 2 twists. This is the messed up twist and this is the cute twist. So the direction of your twist really does make a difference, okay? Now, if you are someone who likes to see the entire real-time process, this is for you. If not, go ahead and skip to 6:30 for the final look. But this is for my people who like to see how long it's going to take me realistically to install this, okay? So I'm showing you everything. Once again, not going to speed any of it up. I'm fluffing this hair out, preparing this hair to install. And this whole process is going to take me about 2 to 3 minutes, okay? So it takes me 2 to 3 minutes to install each of my twists. I have about 50 twists in my hair, so you can do the math, okay? So I want to apologize to you guys because I did not plan for this video to be completely voiceover. However, the day that I was filming this, my AC went out in our house. So I had like 10 fans on because I was not trying to sweat my makeup off and I was just not trying to die of heat exhaustion in this Floridian summer, okay? So I had a lot of fans on and because of that, you really couldn't hear anything that I was saying. So that's why this video has to be voiceover. Again, I apologize. I know that voiceovers aren't as enjoyable and they don't seem as interactive, but I promise y'all did not want to hear me talking over those fans. I promise you, okay? So any questions you may have, go ahead and leave them down below. And again, you know, like, I'm sorry, but I was trying not to die. So again, this is how long it takes me realistically to install each of these twists. Simba, please don't start.
Get down. Get down, Simba. Simba, off.
So you'll see me add a little more gel once I get to the end of my hair, just to help it blend a little better. But we'll talk about this whole blending situation in my next video. I will have a follow-up video just explaining everything about passion twists, answering any questions I may have gotten about my passion twists, because I know y'all gonna have some. So please turn on your post notifications so you can know when I post my next video, because it will be everything about these passion twists. Okay, I'm just showing you how to install them today. I'm making some very ugly faces, and I'm showing you some very unflattering angles, but you know, the things we do for YouTube. So we're gonna chop all that excess mess off, and I did go ahead and dust the rest of my ends. You will have to do that when you're dealing with this passion twist hair, because you can get some tangles. Okay, so just be aware of that. You will have to go through and dust the ends to your liking. But this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can be notified to share this with other people. And again, be on the lookout for my subsequent passion twist FAQ video, okay? That will be coming up next on my channel. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. God willing. Bye. Okay, that was ugly, but bye.